Okay, so after my wash, this is how I end up doing my hair. And well, after my conditioner, it's super moisturized and they look super juicy. I definitely may try that method again. So now it's time to show you guys how I do my wigs. I put my wigs on. Yeah, so this is a flat twist out. Some of them are flat, some of them aren't, which is fine. And let's just get into the video. So I'm going to start by putting on my cap. And so this cap is not my usual color. I usually get like a brown tan looking color, but it's cool. Second, let's show you guys the wig. I love wigs, you guys, so in case you haven't noticed, this wig is by OUTRE. It's the dragon. It's called the Beach Babe, and the color is Dragon Fruit. So it has multiple colors. This was a $20 wig at my local hair store, and let me just show you guys how I put it on. So yeah, let's just show y'all the color, a close-up of this color. Wigs always look funny at first, but it's a matter of fixing it to your preference. So I'm about to work this wig. Okay, this is the wig. Very pretty. So what I'm gonna do is, y'all don't try this at home. This is very, very dangerous to your natural hair, okay? So I'm just gonna pull a little bit of my hair out. Not much, cause to be honest, we don't do many leave outs. So I'm just pulling a little bit of my hair out at a time, okay? Because we want, I love this wig. I tried it on last night and I didn't even do much to it, but this is right up, excuse my kids in the background. I'm trying not to. Okay, so after I got a little bit out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it up just a little bit where you can see the line, but not really. Now we're going to use edge control and maybe gel. I'm going to use this gel, and that'll be a good picture. Okay, I'm using this gel. It's Extreme by Wetline. It's a styling gel. And I'm just gonna ease it up just a little bit. We're not putting a lot. And I like this gel because it got a little bit of moisture to it. They're giving me Janet Jackson vibes. I might end up using the comb because I don't like tight fitting wigs, but this one is just super loose, and thank God that it has a drawstring and a comb option. But yeah, you can do a lot with this wig, like a lot. And I just love it. I love this wig. This probably might be my favorite wig. The colors are super cute. If you can see it, you see it. So yeah, that is it. I really, this might be my favorite wig for real. Like, I'm gonna do half updos and everything. Again, this is an OUTRE wig, and it's a half wig. It's called something part. Let me see. CONVERTI-CAP, because you can convert the cap any way you like and style it any way you like. But I'm going to be wearing this side part. Like, you can put it behind your ear and still be cute at the same time. So thank you guys for watching my DIY conditioning video and how I style and prep my hair for my wigs, and for reviewing this bomb wig with me. Yeah, so let me take it off. It is so freaking cute. Yes. Let me show y'all the back. Like, I just love how it lays and then it get thick at the bottom. Like, it's not thick everywhere. It lays like this and then it just... But yeah, this is my favorite wig, and me and baby are about to go eat. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and share, please. And I just thank you guys for all the support you give. And God bless ya. Bye, lovely.